Old cleaning tips that still get the job done. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. When you visit the grocery store, you undoubtedly see the aisle of cleaning products. They sure take up a lot. But if you think about it, things were pretty different back in the day of your grandparents. They didn't have all the specialized cleaning tools and products that we have today, and yet still they managed to keep their homes clean and fresh. The way they did so is through the use of various cleaning tricks and methods, which have stood the test of time. Using them now would provide you with the same results still. Let's see a few of them. 1. Clean glass with your own solution. What you can do to clean glass in your home is combine 2 tablespoons ammonia with a quart of warm water. The mixture is more than a potent way to get any smudge off your windows. It doesn't even leave streaks. Instead of using paper towels, you can wipe it with an old newspaper. It is an effective way to get shiny glass surfaces all throughout the house. 2. Dusting with diapers. Your microfiber cloths sure are soft and absorb liquid. Well, it turns out diapers have pretty much the same properties, only they are sometimes more accessible. They are also eco-friendlier, if you think about it, since you can just launder them and use them all over. Any cotton-based clothing can serve this purpose. 3. Introduce the fresh scent of your favorite brew. If you are a coffee person, you will love the drink even more when you realize just how effective it is at neutralizing bad odors. What you should do is place a small cup of coffee beans in the garbage can. Or you can just leave a cup of coffee beans in the kitchen. It is a simple and effective way of introducing a fresh scent in the area, all the while preventing any of the harmful aerosol scented sprays from ruining the quality of the air you breathe. 4. Toothpaste can polish more than teeth. If you are feeling desperate about tarnished silverware items, you want to try out toothpaste on them. Using plain white paste is enough to restore the luster of such items. Simply scrub the items gently and you will soon enough see it shine. 5. Water is a disinfectant. When you want to disinfect certain items, such as your children's plastic toys, or perhaps the sponge you use to clean items with, you can use water. Submerge said items in boiling water, and that is bound to remove any sort of bacteria from them. If you want a little extra power, use lemon or orange peels in the water. You get yourself nice citrus disinfecting power, without the added chemicals present in many of the commercial products. 6. Baking soda to banish stains. Give it enough time, and baking soda can easily remove tough stains from burnt-on pans and pots, as well as the oven. All you have to do is make a paste with water and spread it on the surface for about 4 hours. When you wipe it out later, it will be a piece of cake. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208-8849-149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Create a greener and healthier future.